Good morning. Want to do a cold start of my engine to hear for the ticking sound after the supercharger install. Usually the sound comes in after 2 to 3 minutes after startup. So we suspect it's a rattle from the supercharger, maybe a PCV valve or lift valves from the engine. Okay. Noise just increased a lot. can hear the vacuum sound like a static on a radio. I don't hear the ticking sound yet. It's 8 minutes into the video. Oh, there you go. That's the sound. Yep, there you go, the sound. 8 minutes into the video, and you can hear that sound coming in. Now let's go to the engine bay and check the sound. Sound is coming somewhere from the back. Hear that. Rev the throttle, the sound goes. See, there's no sound now. Again it comes. Sounds like a vacuum leak or somewhere. Switch off. Start again. The sound might not be there. No sound. No tap in sound, no rev throttle, nothing. Nothing, no sound. Just only after letting go the throttle, you hear that whine, or that hissing. Not a hissing sound. It's like can you hear that? It's like a static kind of sound, like trying to find a channel. I hear that, so I need to check what's that. But there's no tap in sound, no hitting sound. That sound comes only after like probably 5 to 6 minutes. Okay, this video is probably useful. Some mechanics and experts who can help me out with this. So start 8 minutes into it without I hear the tap-in sound coming in, and switch it off, start again. The sound doesn't come on till another 5-6 minutes into it. Is it a supercharger? It had no problem before the supercharger installed. Is it a supercharger, or is it some vacuum leak, or something to do with the URD 7th injector? 7th injector, they said they would come in only after 3000 RPM. I still don't hear any tap-in sound still. It's like it's been a while now after I restarted it. It's at 800 RPM, 8750 RPM, no issues at idle, no rough idle, no issues. No tap-in sound now. It's gone. and I've been having, it'll come in after probably 2 to 3 minutes later. Um, Not sure. It's just driving me nuts. Don't want to damage the engine. The engine was beautiful before the install. I don't want anything happen to the engine. So please, comments please. It's a long video. I'm sorry about that.